Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple and effective way to export multiple pages as a single PDF in Figma, even if you're working with the free version. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a handy PDF with all your selected work, ready to share, print, or review with teammates. Let's dive right in. Now, here's the first thing to know. Figma doesn't actually let you export multiple pages as a PDF at once. At least not directly, but don't worry. There's a straightforward workaround that works really well, and I use it all the time when I'm working on free Figma plans or need to bundle up my designs fast. Let's say you have 3 pages in your Figma file. Remember, on the free version, you're limited to 3 pages per file, so this tip is perfect for most smaller projects, demos, or drafts. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've got a demo file set up, but feel free to follow along with your own project. Here, what you need to do, start by going to each page one by one. Open up your first page and you'll see your frames, the actual design content you want to export. Select all the frames you want included. Don't just click on the background. Make sure you're choosing each frame, since Figma treats these like your printable slides or canvases. Once you've selected the frames, copy them. Just hit Command-C on Mac or Control-C on Windows. Now switch over to your page 1. This is going to become our master export page. Paste the frames you just copied using Command-V or Control-V. You might want to give yourself a moment here. If there are a lot of elements, Figma may take a second or two to paste everything in the right place. That's totally normal, so don't worry if it feels like it's lagging. Here, it's a good idea to keep things tidy. You might want to arrange your frames in the order you'd like them to appear in the final PDF. Just drag and drop them on the canvas. Think of each frame as its own page in your finished PDF, so organizing now will save you confusion later. Now repeat this process for your second and third pages. Go to page 2, select and copy the frames, then head back to page 1 and paste them in. Do the same with page 3. By the end, all your frames from all 3 pages should be gathered together on page 1. Next, select all the frames on this master page. An easy way to do this is to use the marquee tool to drag a box around everything or hold Shift and click on each frame. Make sure you're only selecting the frames you want included. Sometimes stray elements can sneak in. Now here, where the magic happens, go up to the main menu in the top left of Figma. Click on it, then in the drop-down Find File. Hover over that and you'll see an option for Export Frames to PDF. Click that, then just hit Export. Figma will bundle up all those frames into a single multi-page PDF in the order you set them up. Open the PDF and like magic, you'll see all your designs neat and tidy in one document. It's an easy process once you get the hang of it. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get the order or layout just right. And that's all it takes. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Figma exporting or want more design tricks, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.